Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we will be making these beautiful white farmhouse candle pillars. So if you like to know how I made these, then please keep on watching. So the first thing you're gonna need are different size table legs, and you can find these at your local hardware store. You're also gonna need some plant saucers. You're gonna need 6 of them. You're also gonna need your choice of acrylic paints. And then of course also a sponge brush. And then you're gonna need some Gorilla Glue. You'll also need some pliers, and the last thing you're gonna need is a hot glue gun. So let's go ahead and get started. So the first thing you're going to do is take off this tag and this staple from the bottom of the table legs, and then you're gonna use your pliers to screw off the screw that's at the bottom of each leg. And then once you're done doing all of that, you're gonna go ahead and grab your acrylic paint, and you're going to start to paint each leg. Once your legs are all painted, the next thing you're gonna do is paint your plant saucers. Since I was going for the farmhouse look, I went ahead and grabbed the sandpaper square, and I started to sand down the edges and some corners of the legs just to give it that more rustic look. And then you're gonna go ahead and grab your Gorilla Glue and your hot glue gun. And then you're gonna decide where you want to place the leg on the saucer. I did it with the saucer facing down. And what I did is I added 1 layer of the super glue, and then I added another layer of the hot glue gun. And then I just attached that to the saucer, and then I did the same thing on the opposite side of the leg. And that is pretty much it, you guys. Super fast, super easy, super farmhouse, and under $10. The last thing I did was add some candles on top of them, but you can go ahead and add whatever you like. Even some nice plants would look really good on them. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you guys enjoyed this DIY. Please don't forget to give me a thumbs up so I can continue to do these farmhouse videos for you guys. Thank you again for all the support, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.